Hey, so it's day 79 and Thomas and I are going to spend a few days looking at different towns in Northern California to figure out if there's any place in particular that we're stoked about moving to next. And we just arrived here in Mount Shasta and I was going to the laundromat and I went inside here and you have to download an app to wash your clothes. I mean, I know there's an app for everything now, but for a laundromat? That's crazy. Visiting Mount Shasta, paying our respects to the pretty epic volcano. Good morning. It's day 80 and we pulled off on a forest road here on Mount Shasta last night and slept in the back of our truck. It was quite cozy. And now we drove back up the mountain to have breakfast with Mount Shasta up there, right here. Had a little bit of a egg debacle. Eggs went bad, which is sad, but we've got chips and hummus, crackers and hummus to eat in the meantime. We're gonna go head down to a lake and do some paddleboarding. Hanging out here at Lake Siskyou, and it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to my dad. And there's nobody here. There's an amazing view of Mount Shasta over the lake. And, like, I don't get it. Saw a couple of kayaks go by, some people walking around the lake trail. A couple little party boats going by. But otherwise, it's super quiet. Thomas has his paddleboard pumped up. Gonna take a little spin on the lake. Oh, what a beautiful place! We're talking about wanting to move here, and it's really selling me. Thomas on his paddleboard.